In Beijing, China, a collection of obsolete weapons factories has been transformed into a thriving arts district, complete with new museums, art galleries, studios, and cafes. Vacant lots have become settings for outdoor sculptures and cultural events.
This place that once produced munitions is now creating art and ideas, something that unites us rather than destroys us.
And was always the plan to bring as many diverse creative industries together, to foster these energies and bring the people together.
In 2004, the Beijing government planned to demolish the outdated factories, but an intervention by a coalition of artists and preservationists stopped the wrecking ball. An unlikely alliance between a government-led consortium responsible for the pension fund of former factory workers and a Belgian philanthropist who collected contemporary Chinese art led the charge for the creation of an arts district. A compelling vision for the future of 798 convinced the landholder, Seven Star Group, to reimagine the district as a mixed-use cultural destination. Global design firm Sasaki recommended a comprehensive adaptive reuse strategy, preventing the demolition of the historic factories and industrial artifacts. The plan needed to appeal to multiple stakeholders with different motivations: a reliable source of income and increased land values, a highly visible tourist destination, a focus on the arts while protecting the industrial aesthetic of the buildings, public parks, recreational amenities, and job opportunities.
The perfect place for art and artists to display work, to work in, and just fascinating buildings that were ripe for regeneration and reuse.
The 798 plan has been phased in over more than a decade, a successful long-term adaptive reuse strategy for economic sustainability, which has served as a model for arts districts worldwide.
But I think will always be one of the world's great sort of stories of how an industrial district transformed itself, took a much more experimental and inventive route.
I think that's the success of 798, is that it remembers its past, but it looks to the future.
Today, the 798 Arts District is the third most visited destination in Beijing, behind the Forbidden City and the Great Wall. The American Planning Association is proud to present the 2018 PIERRE International Planning Excellence Award to Sasaki for the 798 Arts District Redevelopment Plan in Beijing.